We are so excited, not only because it's Friday, but because the dessert diva's in the house.
That's right. That's the dessert dance. You got it?
Oh,
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it. There we go. So, Danette Randall in the house right now. We're making a raspberry mango crisp.
Yes, raspberry. It's the first day of summer.
You can tell I eat lots of fruit. I know the difference between a strawberry and raspberry.
All right, so first day of summer to me screams crisp. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Should scream, you know, cocktails on a patio, but
Well, it does that too.
crisp. Okay, very simple. Mangoes, raspberries, so easy to find right now. Raspberries, and mangoes are in season, and the mangoes are amazing.
Look how beautiful that looks.
Amazing. Okay, so mangoes, raspberries, about 5 cups. I did 2 cups mangoes, and to get that, about 1 mango is a cup.
Okay.
So you know, you just peel the skin off. You can just use a knife, kind of peel it gentle. It's very easy. You can tell if they're ripe by pushing it here. You can kind of smell it, see if it's ripe. So you do that. 1, like I said, is about 1 cup. I did 2 and 3 cups of raspberries. You could do anything you want. You could change that up too.
Oh, so 5 cups total.
Just 5 cups total.
Okay, got it.
And if you can't find the fresh mango, you know, a lot of the places have frozen mango too. Just do it frozen, but you can get fresh. So
It's
why
more
not?
fun to go to the grocery store,
better.
sniff them,
It's better.
act like you know what you're doing.
Exactly. Pretend like I'm like an expert.
Yeah, exactly.
I do that.
You see people doing that. I'm
Right.
like, do you know what
Pressing
you're doing?
it.
All right, so this is a deep dish pie plate. You can use a regular pie plate if you don't have a deep dish. Just make sure when you're baking it, you put it on a baking sheet because the fruit really bubbles over and you don't want it to ruin your oven, and then you'll be mad at me.
Those are some big
So
raspberries,
we're gonna do
too.
about about 1/4 cup of a little bit of flour, 2 tablespoons. Taste your fruit beforehand because you know the fruit will release the sugar and the juices when they come out, so you might not need as much sugar, but this is just about 2 tablespoons because you want to make the syrup that bubbles up, and then you're just going to toss that, and that's it, set it aside. So now for the crisp, which again is very simple, we're going to do 3/4 cup brown sugar. I always use brown sugar in my crisp. I think a little bit of the molasses, and it makes it toast a little bit better. We're going to do 1/2 cup of flour because we're basically making a little streusel topping.
Okay.
And then cinnamon, 2 teaspoons. I like a lot of cinnamon, but some people don't, so you know, we'll just take it easy with that. Little bit of cinnamon, and then we're going to do 1/2 cup of butter, cold butter chopped up.
Ooh.
And that's what's going to make the streusel. It's going to, when it's baking, the butter is going to meld with the flour and the what is that? Oh, brown sugar.
Right.
See, you don't know. You think it's the
Friday.
strawberries. I think
Friday.
it's white sugar. Okay, so then you're just going to kind of toss that. Then we're going to do oats. Now, don't get instant oats. You can get the quick cooking oats. That's okay, but don't get the instant. That's really processed down. They're really teeny tiny.Ey're not going to give you that crunch with the crisp.
What kind are these?
Because this is just old fashioned.
Okay.
I don't use it. A lot of people always use the quick cooking. I think it's fine to just do the old fashioned because you're cooking it long enough or it's going to bake and it's going to soften up with the butter. So you can use a fork. You can take the pastry cutter. You can kind of do it up like that. Probably do a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And that's it. I mean, that
And then you
is
just
it.
dump that on top?
That's going to be dumped on top. You're going to bake this for, it takes about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. You want it to be golden brown like it is right there.
Okay.
And see what you like. Well,
Yeah.
I know what Evan thinks. Evan.
All right.
Evan snuck a bite already.
Yeah.
But anyway,
No
yeah, a
one-
little
no
bit
one
of
is surprised about
whipped
that.
cream. Put it with a little bit of vanilla ice cream if you want. I mean, so easy. And you can also
So
serve it in
good.
little separate cups if you're outside having a barbecue, so it's pretty easy.
This
So-
is perfect for summer.
yeah, it's nice. And again, you can switch out the fruit too. These two kind of screamed summer to me right now.
Yeah.
So, wah!
Oh, that's
Screams.
excellent.
Thank
So
you,
good.
Danette.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so
All
much
right.
for showing us that. And I think you put some ice cream on top of that, Lee. What do you think?